That's where generative BI comes into play. Generative BI, what is this? Is basically a bit of a hype topic at the moment. We'll see on the next slide that this is something that is up and coming and quite hot and will become even hotter. Generative BI is nothing else than the use of large language models, so generative AI, to deliver data insights, to automate tasks based on these insights from simple language, right? So you can basically prompt an AI to chat to your data, to understand your data, and have the AI automatically trigger actions. So this is usually 3 stages. So number 1 is you democratize data access. As we said, traditional BI tools usually are not adopted very well in the organization because they're clunky, they're technical, and people really don't like to use Power BI. I've never heard anyone, and I used to work for Microsoft, saying, I love Power BI, right? At least a non-technical user would never say that. So with generative BI, given the fact that you interact through natural language, this removes this burden. Then, and here comes the most, or the first really, really important aspect, it tells you the why behind your data, right? As we said in the beginning, Power BI, Tableau, etc., they show you nice charts, but obviously, okay, I see that my Q4 trend line is trending down, but why? What's the reason, right? And this is what generative BI does. It gives you a causal analysis because it has context, and we will talk about that in a minute, and we will also show this in the demo. And finally, it takes action, because when you think about it, most actions and most decisions that are taken in an organization are usually operational decisions and actions, like micro decisions. You want to update the CRM, you have to escalate something, you have to write an email, you have to set up a meeting, and so on and so forth, right? And these actions, in the case of generative BI, are triggered based on the why, right? And that's the main thing. So where's my mouse? So you go from what to why to done in minutes instead of days.